blondes have more fun. I don't know who said it. That's just what they saying. That's what they saying. This is a 613 body wave unit from Reshine Hair. It is 26 inches. This is a transparent lace and it is a 13 by 4. I feel like this is kind of small for a 13 by 4. We are gonna have to make it work. I already went ahead and cut off my ear tabs and I added my foundation color. I do use the shade 15 in Ruby Kisses. Of course, this wig unit will be linked in the description box down below. I do believe that they have a sale going on right now. I will link that code in the description box as well. I am using the Boho Liquid Gold to secure my lace stay. You can find this and everything else I'm using on my Amazon storefront. Now, the other day I posted a TikTok about, you know, that black girl blonde is not a thing. When people think of black girl blonde or when people say black girl blonde, it's always a specific blonde, and there is not only one shade of blonde that we are, you know, limited to. There's so many different colors out there for us to just be limited to ash blonde and honey blonde. Ash blonde makes me look very dull, which is why I have this, you know, like it's not a 613, but it's bright, and not everybody is meant to have a super bright blonde. I feel like everybody can wear blonde. Like, people always see the same tone of blonde on someone and be like, okay, well, this is the color I want, and completely forget about color theory and the color wheel. Like, I still cannot understand the stigma behind black girls and blonde hair. Like, I don't care if I was purple. I'm gonna wear whatever hair color I desire. Nobody owns a hair color. Like, now that our lace is in there and secure, we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty and cut this off. I'd be the first one to tell y'all, don't be using no kitchen scissors on y'all install. No, don't use it nowhere near your hair. But this is all I got. This is all I got. So y'all just gonna have to bear with me because I left all my shears and scissors at the shop. And yes, I'm gonna wash them before I put them in the sink because y'all be quick to judge somebody. Like, I'm gonna leave a little bit of lace on because it's not plucked how I want it to be plucked. And this is why it's so important to get a wig that actually fits you, because you'll be left with a bunch of lace. The more lace you leave on, for me, the harder it is to like make a seamless blend. Alright, so now we're gonna go in and do some heavy blending. Y'all heard when I said nitty gritty, I already knew what time it was. I'm gonna do my melting technique with my Ebony spray. I'm not gonna use any lace tint because I don't want to color the hair. I'm just gonna pat it. I'm gonna spray some more Ebony on my finger. I'm gonna tie it down with my fan, and it does not have any gunk on the inside, so it should not leave any residue. If I haven't learned nothing else about being an influencer, it's to not read these comments. You just have to like just learn how to just keep going about your day or just block them. I remember when I first started doing this, I used to be keeping myself up at night reading comments. Oh, wigs this, and where's your real hair, and oh, this color don't look right on you, and you lost me at the baby hairs, and all this extra stuff. I don't understand when it got so hard for everybody to just keep scrolling. Like, I used to be sliding down the wall crying about them comments, but now, girl, bye, block. Like, let's see what we got into. Okay, yeah, it is lower than usual, but I feel like it shouldn't be a problem. I'm still gonna do the no baby hairs. We're just gonna have to like finesse this style today. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it straight so I can have a smooth base. I'm gonna be using the Silk Essentials Thermal Serum along with this Beyond the Zone heat protectant to protect and really get my hair silky so we can do some nice curls. So this is how the bottom looks. I give this hair like a 7 out of 10, only because the lace gave me such a hard time. I would recommend this hair maybe if you're a little lighter, that way you're not trying to fight with trying to match your color. The hair is pretty good. I won't even lie about that, because I did tone this hair, then I did a bleach bath, and then I toned it again. So this hair is pretty good. I flat ironed this hair on 475 degrees or 450 degrees. Did not give me any problems. I curled it on the 4th one. I feel like a Malibu Barbie. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will never miss out on another video. And I will see you guys on my next install.